Hey, and welcome back. I just want to give you a little update on the blendercubed.co.uk website. You can see we've got a lot of stuff going on here, but more importantly, behind the scenes, I've been creating the shortcut keys page. Voila. It's still work in progress. So as the days go on, I will be adding more, but you can search. So if you want to find bevel, it'll tell you there. Loop cut, bada bing, bada boom. Also, you can filter the different categories. Again, it's not finished yet, so we'll be adding more. You will be able to filter by platform and version, which I'll add version 5. I mean, obviously, if there's no difference in the shortcuts, then they'll just be the same. You can also filter, so all the control shortcuts, so Control B, Control J, etc. They will be under the C, and the same with the Shift, it'll be under S, but we've got loads on there. And if you've got a shortcut that you use frequently, click on Suggest a Shortcut and let us know what it is and we'll add it on there. This page, this website is built for the user, for the Blender user, the Blender family. So yeah, chuck whatever shortcuts you got on my way and I'll add it on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-da!